shapano chingwa dikitira zuva nesikati kuswedzwa nezhara kuzhira yekumba watokanganwa aiwa tuta twako waenda kumba bodo 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 panopamba andipeka ndakagarira wewe bamwana ende andimbonyara bodo 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 panopamba andipeka ndakagarira wewe bamwana ende andimbonyara kwandoenda ndakadzika midzi pano pamusha hapana kwandoenda ndakadzika midzi pano pamusha pauri ndakanamirira ndife ndasiya uchindirova panguva dziya tinongorangarira pataka
sangana
wakandi
sarudza
ukati uchava baba inini mai
let's call it
bodo 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 andipeka wewe bamwana ende andimbonyara
warorwe
no ansadaro
ora wakambodzingwa ere bamba so where does the inspiration come from?
I've seen it happening so yeah ndakaona zvichiitika a few times so ndichikura ndozvakaita kuti ndibva ndanyora song.
You can relate.
I can relate.
Both song yacho iri soulful, you know that we need experience kakaita sekakamboitika.
Yeah.
But at least tinchitaura more about domestic abuse, kudzingwa pachichi. Yeah, song yako ndona ngeno bata madzimai moyo. Anyway, welcome.
Thank you.
I've been looking forward to talk to you for quite the longest of time.
Sure.
So sure. Yeah, one of my few artists ndofunga ndena ngo terror first time and then another this is it.
Yeah.
But how does it feel to be talented?
It feels good. Sometimes aumbozviziva to talented. Aumbozvifeel nokungoti hazvinhu zviri normal. Because it's real, so yeah. But it feels good. Kana une vanhu vakaita semi vanenge vachitiudza kuti you're talented. It feels really good.
And when did you realize that I'm talented?
And I got realized a little bit late. Actually, I have an aunt who is 90 years old. Anonzi Lucia Chirara.
90 years.
She's 90 and she's blind.
Wow.
And ndo vakatozondireminder kuti unozviziva here kuti iwe munhu wakakura uchiimba iwewe. Ndikatoti ndopandakabva ndati alright ndambotenga uri ndibva ndazoona kuti
ndakakura ndichiimba zvozvo. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we have got Mandi Awe. One way ndingati Mandi Awe or Mandi Awe.
Mandi Rega Awe Rega.
Oh, it's not Mandi, it's Mandy.
It's Mandy.
Okay, introduce yourself. Ndiwani just.
Hello guys, my name is Mandi Awe. I'm an Afrobeat and reggae artist from Harare.
From Sosbe?
Yes.
Okay, uri mwana wa baba Harare? And you come from Harare?
Aiwa. Ndi mwana wa mama wangu.
Okay. And Afrobeats and reggae. Not Zim dance or Zim pop or music game munomuchacha inonzi chi. Inowanzoimbwa navanhu hobo like contemporary musician.
Mune music yakawanda. Mune sungura, mune jiti, mune zimdanso. Dzakawanda.
Right. Nembwa nana Shashi wichi.
She sings Afrobeats.
Tami Moyo.
Afrobeats.
Well, so most of you are Afrobeat artists.
Yes.
Which means you can actually compete nana Rema, nana Ayastar, nana Thames.
Yeah, it's quite possible.
Very soon we'll be there. Tine talent rakaita ngerenyu.
Yeah, I hope so.
All right. What was your first recording? Gorora wakatanga record out ndatanga.
Kudara. It's like 2015.
15 mama kutoenda pamberi pemic.
Yeah, ndakatanga kunazopinda mustudio.
And how old were you that time?
I was 17.
17
years old, yeah.
Let me calculate. And the song is online.
It's not online. That's something else. More about music business and the other side of marketing and stuff. And then I should discover talent. So and ask Katombozioti, can I put the recorder? What do you do next? in music, yeah. So it's not online.
So then who introduced you manje more the music industry?
My manager introduced me to this. My current manager now, ndovakazvinyatsogara neni pasi vakazondiudza kuti no zvinofamba so saka ngati dai. That's how I got into the music business.
Yeah, and I think your manager is doing very, very well.
Yeah, he's doing very well.
Upward and forward only. My challenges are murumbo fesao kana aripo.
My challenges are mostly near funding. You know, music inoda mari kuti uite zvinhu. Music recording, video production. It's also atina mbinga dzinotisira mari saka though it's like the main challenge.
Yeah, I think for now chete ndoba msina mbinga. Manje dziri kuuya dzichikuisira because isu tutumbinga tudiki to believe mbinga omba I believe kuti manje means what I say zaku believe art, but your last album it really rocked my charts and I like the way amakama pusha my reels my shoot every day my reels and
yeah I shoot almost every day.
Yeah, my budget anakukwadza
when it comes to art yangu nini ndo try kuita zvandokwanisa zviripo panguva iyoyo. Yeah,
so you really don't have to wait for the resources and use what you have.
Hembe dzaona dzedzodzo topfeka idzodzo vakutanga kuimba because at the end of the day tikutengesa music hatisi kutengesa hembe dzatikapfeka. So ukaisa music yako kuvanhu ndo zvakakosha.
Yeah, I think one of your biggest hits, if not the biggest, Sowe.
Yes.
Yeah, that song was beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I think let us just play Kapati Kadiki.
Okay.
I want to clear my throat because I don't know when I talk.
Black boy, Mandy. Black boy, the Danny.
Tell her.
Awe, when I'm at the Papa, the nationals and on the net. Who I reba, Mana and the
Regatamaya, Norituma.
Zamana, Kupuka Makotanya Kunamata, Bangwezi Chai, Taneri Mera Masu, Lambuti Korango, Richa Pera, Sikanzi Sangundes, Tinta Zinga Bisquere. Sakanda Uya, so Kuzo Bisqua Jambanazi, so Sakanda Uya, so Kuzo Bisqua Jambanazi, so Apotoki. Ini mamsumai muri kurondwa nevarume vatatu. Chandaona vamunobva kwakashereketwa tu. Chandaona ndichakumedzesai modzi yehapa yandichanotora kure hazvimboramba tenda denga ndauya sowe kuzombiswa jambwa nezviedzo.
Voice rako hapana autotune apa?
Hapana.
Wakatoberekwa itori for autotune pamuroma.
Yeah.
That was a hit because number roro up to now. Nezro nandiri a certain club right or amongst my top hits and people will be singing along. And the party is spectacular. Iyo chorus because usually when it come a feature you would find out uti vanogona kutora part star because Toki is a star.
Yes,
so
yes.
They relate easily. But then chorus over go ignore. But people will be singing so. How did that collaboration come about?
So Antaka approach Mkoma Toki. Mkoma tina song edui. Tachikumbiro kuti musisiro chifesi. Koma wakava waya studio vanzo song makati wapo.
So that was actually your own creation.
Yes.
And how did Toki Mafunga say to Toki because you could have picked Zico or someone else?
I've always been a fan of Mkoma Toki. I've always loved his maturity and his sense of music. So I think Mkoma ndo pavanu yatsoita manja.
All right. And that's why I like my collab kuti it's not a collaboration of convenience. It's a collab which you actually so good at chemistry. Chemistry. Come on, so no indere.
Okay, so the issue in Masowe is I used to live with my uncle who used to go to Masowe when I was in high school. Ndo pandaenda kumasowe papa.
All right. Is this what we know?
And open the AFM.
Okay, ndosaka wakaita ranaka chitenderano.
Exactly.
Okay. I like that song. And pinza mweya, I speak in tongues a lot.
Okay.
Ranaka chitenderano. Yeah, I liked it. And unema ma gospel song futhi unotoita besides that.
Yeah, most of my songs angu chero ikaita song yekupisa ndinotoisa kashoko kamwari mukati momo mukada kuzvitedzera.
For men do not live by bread alone.
Yes.
All right, and ndakaona song yo, if I'm not sure inenge yakapostwa pa Zim Celebs or pa page pa Toki, ndakaona na Tough G varimo. What role have those guys played? Because up to now ndikuona ngemchikushanda mesa.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of marketing, I think Zim Celebs is like the biggest in this country. So, ukampa chino, you never go wrong. He's very good at marketing, so yeah, that's why.
All right, and they are doing quite well for my artists.
Yes, they are. They support my artists kudaro.
Kunyanya, because zvinonzitika muZimbabwe, pane ma artists anofila kuti vanogona. Ana Mandi, Nana Ningi. You get what I mean? Hobo. And for some reason, which I may not know, vanenge vatsirunyaso piwa the recognition that they deserve. And in Rwanda, some celebs are doing quite well.
Yeah.
For that. Okay, I see. So after Sowe, Magazita, which other project?
After Sowe, ndakavanda release kupisa 7 album.
It was actually an album.
Yes, angarne 14 masong.
Including song and Nakabatirwa Bande Boys, and it's not even fun.
Yes, including that.
How did you create money, guy? I'm sorry, gentlemen, I think my real life experience.
Pabande hazo zvakatoitika zvinowanikwa mukurarama navatirwa bande vanatoona kuti pakakatoita iri song.
So all things work together for God.
Yeah, they do.
Ndaiona kavidhio kacho wakakwira pamusoro
pechimota.
Ndakabatirwa bande wardrobe. Tell me about the wardrobe. Ndasama riu ako ka ane dzimwe hembe so dzinenge dziripo ka dzekuti adzisi ordinary clothing like ayo wakatopfeka is not inoratidza kuti designer like who designs.
I'm working with the designer Bag Guile from Bindura. Currently ndiye kundidesignera hembe.
Yeah, she's doing
it's a he.
All right.
It's a he, it's a boy, I swear.
All right, he's doing a very, very good job. And also taste yacho zvinobudisa pachirungu ndowetichi funky.
Yes, yeah, you might say that. Funky it is.
Yeah, runyasobuda zvakanaka. I really like it. Then tiri pama collaboration sandaenda pa your biggest hit this year. I can't say biggest hit, but latest collaboration. How many any collaboration with the K-Chaps?
Yeah, I did. But album, Shower Me.
Shower Me.
Yes.
Because K-Chaps nofarira the way he rose and the way he has been consistent and the way kuti music yake yakabatongoita niche rake. What pa album rinonzi?
Inonzi Shower Me song, yeah.
And K-Chaps hanense kuwana.
No,
how are you managing to get these? Because these are now big guys in the industry, and you at this point I think that you're a newcomer, but at that point you were fairly. And how did you manage to get those big shots?
Well, unoanzi mupenyu unofanira kuita maguts. Unotongotsvaga kuti ko ndiani kwane namba dzake chapfa ndimbombata ndimbonzwa kuti zvakamira sei ubva tongofona kuti mukoma muri stage tonzi mendi ndine song yangu yakadai ndichida kukumbira kuti munokwanisa here kupinda pasong mundibatsire kuti ndipushike mbichana.
All right.
You talk from there.
And vazhinji vacho probably do you have to put out mari to convince them, or once you put forward your concept they like it?
Yeah, in Ango I can say I've been blessed enough kuti ndikangoisa concept munana but I think it's something that we can work on ngatimboite tonashodi.
Feel chemistry. It speaks to your talent for sure. Because you pane vanhu vanoita collab nemwe musician. Now uchati vamari unzi yeah kuti unongweza unzi no. I'm not going to collaborate with what? With you.
Yes, ndinoda kupisa pana senga zvide sister. Fly anyway, singamirire wa Christmas kana Easter. Passport ine mavisa, ndichivhura hombe bonde followers etu.
How did you feel feature na Freeman?
Ndakafara singaite. I've always wanted to have a song na saka ndakafara.
But no, my big shows actually.
Yes.
And how long did it take him kuti akupevesa?
Ndaivatsoma. Ndaitoti mukoma ndaikangomuka chete ndikangofunga kuti mukoma wasati anopavhesi ndakutofuna mukoma
Kutsoma
aufa.
munenge kunetsa.
Yeah, ndaitivanetsa, ndaivanetsa.
Amfuna ukushisa mthala hope you feel me.
Calvin
Mthala
Mangena.
zohama hope ufikile. Funa ubaneshelete, mesete. Noda kupisa, noda rikakiza, nyateli pima. Amfuna uhlala kahle wana.
Jacket wangu wapeka bada. Ndo your designer wangu shtawa.
This one was from Saint Danger.
Saint Danger.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And yakamira say wardrobe video shooting.
Wardrobe yanga mixana and vintage and a little bit of the new thing.
The new thing. And how long did it take you for the whole shoot to? Was it a one-day shoot?
No, it was 2 nights. 2 nights, yeah. 2 nights.
Okay.
Pisa noda rikakiza, nyateli pima. Amfuna uhlala kahle wanna have nice life problem. Wangempela, wanna spend like I don't care. Noda kupisa usevame.
Ugare utende ufare, kupisa usevame. Ndinoda kupisa usevame, kupisa usevame.
I mean, it's no longer a wish. I was no peace.
Kilomapisa Singapore.
Hey.
Kila makangopisa madiga msinganyuri. Say vanozvimba Singapore. Vanorwadziwa. Vanofone godu. Say vatizvimba Singapore.
This was my favorite. My favorite part.
Why?
Because and I like Silent Killers zvakanyanya zvezvia number 1.
Right.
So I have to acknowledge didn't talk about Tony bias.
Right.
You get what I mean? And then number 2, he always brings the unexpected. Ndo malines awa to ufungirira.
Kana. No.
Do you know what akakupa malines aya? Unogona kutoti mukoma ite serious. Makuda. But panodeliverwa kuvanhu anditi. You find out kuti this is what people do. This party ndofunga kana pa reels ako ndakatarisa ma numbers. This had the most views and likes. Yeah.
Okay.
Silent Killer wherever you are. Une number 1 fan bana. And thank you for bringing him on this project.
Yeah, ndakafara upa vakauya.
Kila makangopisa madiga msinganyuri. Say vanozvimba Singapore.
Vanorwadziwa. Vanofone godu.
Say vatizvimba Singapore.
Chero vakaenda kuSingapore.
Vaenda kunorapwa Singapore. Vanoramba vachida kuuya kuwo. Togara chivataurirawo. Kuti tinopisa vakaenda
Nyango akaenda ku Singapore kuti Silent Killer kana muimbi kana achiimba anobva pozera baba. Kuti nyango akaenda ku Singapore.
Vamira kadaro. Nana vachiuya kuwo.
Mira next
Singapore. Vaenda kunorapwa Singapore. Vanoramba vachida kuuya kuwo. Togara chivataurirawo. Kuti tinopisa so. Masiya so. Kusiya so. Such a takes that. You know. Isusu tinotopusika kunge bhokano. Ndisu tinoziva tinopisa kunge. Tiri hote kunge kofi cappuccino.
Yes.
Aiwa pane nguva ino.
That's my wish. Kugara ndichinongedzewa zvinzi avo vakakomborerwa. Satellite dish. Padenga ndakasungirirwa ndichigara nchibata masaisai. Kurona nemahwina kwete malusa. Zvekugara ndichispaka ndozvandokuza. Ndozvidawo kunzi boss mbada mbinga icho. Number 1 trending iwe mendi.
Zvino zvigofamba somari. Ugare utende ufare. Kupisa usevamwe. Ndinoda kupisa usevamwe.
Pana wadasiyera.
Hapana.
Vapera.
Vapera.
And congratulations, you actually brought, imagine, Nati O is big, Baga is a new kid, and it, Calvin Mangena, Silent Killer. But to bring Sniper and Freeman, ndo wane kuti we never dreamed kuti one day. Did you ever dream with one day my days join a city, my days soldier?
I was still young those days. I don't go on about TV.
And then Kona on your track, it speaks about confidence. In you. And then project Magaita and Zim Celebs. Yeah, Zim Celebs, you mira name on it?
Yeah,
okay, give them a shout out on our video.
Shout out to Zim Celebs, shout out to Uncle Mono, Tapa, Uncle Lo.
Okay. And then on for a shout out.
Shout out to Zigo.
You see, I'm a shout out to Kumbira, but praise God. So, what do you have? Yeah, this is a collaboration. A lot of people they're asking Nanisha. Yeah. My comments, my chichi, angori nyanzi ngotaurika.
Okay, yeah. Inye tauro so sure, especially in comment section young people like, why aren't you ita song Nanisha not a hit. So, banda till na management una jikutaura ichi na fans. I think we should do that. Give people what they want. Yes. So, my manager got in touch with Nisha's team. Okay. We talked to Akata na Mr. Mtari, so like it's fine. Watapewa namba za producer Jamal. Shikanzitaura na producer mo organize it when are you going to do that.
Okay.
So tataura na Jamal wakati mnua Friday na 9 o'clock. That it's okay. Friday by 8 o'clock tam but that katifonele mkoma na titichi takuya tafona iskudero. But that let's go since titichi sayapa patrukwenda. But ashika pa 9 maxen. Vatabvunza pagate tawasore kudo nza Jamal hapo. But pana assistant producer Like. Okay. You can actually go to studio. What I say, mono bona like makamera jamu. Tikata no, ango no is coming. So we went to studio. We met Like, but jamu that stage. So Nanisha, we paid the money. You could record the recording fee. We paid everything. So Like vata. Pano titimire munu. Gati fano ite scratch fano ita something. So vata gadzira beat from scratch. Pandatenga to nyora song baby. Na nyora. Mind you, this was 9 o'clock, 10, 11, 12. Wanda the song Jamaa kasi ya kuma tutu taka mera since 9 o'clock au ya Jamaa mvati song ya maimba yakadako haite
like bluntly
sikanda song yenya isquit bandata no it's okay but wongo yana 9 watudza izvozvo taita se tabatsirika bandata no it's okay kana isiri kuterega indite se titangidze ndobva tindakumbenda lunch apa asvikana 2 Bata kwenda kulunch.
Arudila ne superstar.
No, this is superstar song but ndengo expect uti ango tibato zvinenge zvakati nake
pangwa you're not treated
so aenda kulunch tikabata
it's not a feeling I think you were not treated well.
Yeah, something like that. But atombokumbira kuti no since we were park kuno lunch Nisha wacho ngaite se ngayo mu studio tifano inina artist team artist kuziya kuti toita song yakaita se to vibe tonyora zvipi toita se ana kunzwa mu studio that time. So ameno zvakava zvatongo takabva tangoti tikatienda tozodzoka rimwe day. So fast forward young Gemini had a birthday. So she called me I'm having a birthday, I want you to come off. So Vanada, no, it's okay. So I went there with my friend and then Nisha was there. Vandatomona tomanyira Nisha zvisechi ukubuditsa chi mangomari Nisha kutondudza ndikubuditsa next week Tuesday chichi vandati atambo takamirira chi kunza mangoma. So tatiri mumba and then my piece avanaenda panze no.
So mutori too everything was speedy sport.
Yeah, everything was okay. And then we went separate ways. So I went outside, Vanano got up a poolside. And Vabuda Panze. So Vandato Sumka Banana Distoimba song again Chinda ko ari. Kundaim Jirazo kumfarira. So Mumba and Waita and Bainanga Garba couch. And then she vibe and a chilla song, Chimama Tamba. So then a friend young white ambassador. So Nisha Vata Mendi Shamwaria Indian fan artist. Akangwa, you walk a puss. Dinisha straight to my face. Those are going to do that. Mendi walk a puss. And ipapa ndokwanisa upindira because like tiri papati ndatanga kumona for the first time and ndinauda kureita because andizeti anorekta se but ngoti it's okay but I felt really offended kuti why would she say kuti ndakapusa.
Yeah, she insulted you.
Yeah, I felt really offended. So ndichibva ndabatanidza nezvanga zvaitika zvekuti vakabva ramba collab. So I don't know, inini personally song naye ndiri kutoida because I think it's
even
necessary.
after zvese zvaitika.
Yes,
If
but
they-
I feel like she must apologize first. I
Yeah.
really feel like she owes me an apology because haungoudze munhu kuti wakapusa. So akauya akaapologize, we do the song. But if he's not humble enough kundoti mendi sorry, I don't think the song will ever come out.
I think it's good to this is all on record and panapa panotaurwa under oath because but I think if Nishati is watching, she can either apologize or apology actually in a explanation mukati, or she can also respond.
Yeah,
But I think there's still room to make way because I think Dainisha Makasangana ku Chigutu. You're going to do this song.
Yeah, I think so too. So.
But niona mukasangana kuma studios manje kuma kunenge ma management nechi I think panozoitawo kakuretana nechi.
Not really, like, I don't think Mr. Mtarisi is aware of what happened that day because takazoresiva messages vachitoda kuti nina itite song. Vakatozoya vakati can we do mendi edinisha ndopandakanoti mukuru ava vasi kuziva zvikuitika behind doors kumastudio avo kuti takatouya isusu tikanyimwa song taida kutoita song takatouya tikatoswera takagarira vanhu producer akauya kuma2 akati akuenda kulunch. Saka I don't think Mr. Mtarisi is aware of what's happening behind closed doors.
Did you get a refund then?
No, hatina kupiwa refund, but what I was thinking was song yacho yoga ndichanoita nemumwe munhu kuisa mumwe munhu or kuisa vamwe vanhu pasong ikunashikoko. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem because I paid.
Yeah, I'm very sorry for what you went through. Those men zvinoitika mumedia. Asi I'm glad kuti amuzvite bottle up.
Yes.
You get what I mean? Yes. And there's still room for reconciliation if there was now a rift between you two guys. Yeah, I don't say the way I thought it Tinashe Mtarisi, I don't think he even knows about it.
Yeah, I don't
but
think
I think
he
by
knows.
the time I know video, he's so one couch that promise and I would change it. And I change. So I'm very happy Saka and he's a good person.
Yeah.
Saka, I think you work on that. But anyway, thank you for joining me today. Regandi song kataita pikutanga keke. That's my favorite song, even though in this remo it's my
It's also my favorite song.
Thank you for coming on this.
Thank you so much for having me.
I can also pay my drinks because it no sponsorship.
Yeah. Vanogara mbunza seiko uchingwa shingirira pamusha pano uchingwa dikitira zuva nesikati kuswedzwa nezhara kuzhira yekumba watokanganwa dai watuta twako waenda kumba. Bodo vanopamba andipeka ndakagarira iwewe bamwana ende andimbonyara. Bodo vanopamba andipeka ndakagarira iwewe bamwana ende andimbonyara. Hapana kwandoenda ndakadzika midzi pano pamusha. Hapana kwandoenda ndakadzika midzi pano pamusha. Pauri ndakanamirira ndife ndasiya uchindurova panguva dziya tinongorangarira pataka
sangana
wakandi
sarudza
ukati uchava baba inini mai.
Let's call it quits.
Bodo andibeka wewe bamwana ende andimbonyara.
Thank you.